Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga agizengwe kibatwira mu ihangeri no kureba ngo habaye obusingye kandi ihanga lyaterera.
Today is yet another chapter in the many peacekeeping operations that the Uganda People's Defense Forces has been involved in. Having pacified the country, now the UPDF exports peace in other countries. We were in Liberia at one time. We are now in Somalia. We have been to South Sudan. We have been to Central African Republic. With our brothers in the DRC, we have been there many times.
Ashabira mahega UPDF okuguma n'emico yabo obari mu Congo kukuma obusingye.
I can assure you, you well know you have a very disciplined force, but you should ask yourself, why are we always successful in our missions? There is something called Mao's exhortation. The exhortation means to urge to do something. While still in the bush where this army was formed by His Excellency the President of Uganda, the Commander-in-Chief of the UPDF, that exhortation was borrowed from Mao Zedong's revolution in China to say, never take a thread or a needle from the population without paying for it.
Kano maikwaraka simire nkwatanisa eri hagati y'amahanga gagombi kandi yashaba ngo egumeho.
On behalf of the contingent and on my own behalf, I wish to take this opportunity to welcome all of you on this auspicious occasion, marking the sending out of ambassadors of peace and tranquility to yet another African country that has been under turmoil.
Haji Safik Sekande RDC wa Kisoro na washyiraho mukorogu kandi acamize kwa mahega za Congo yashaba abanya-Uganda kugumzamo ne babashabira habwo mu rumo gwabo gubari kuzakora.
We want to thank the UPDF for guarding jealously our territorial boundaries, and we see our people enjoying peace in this country. Well, the area where we seated today has gone through turbulent times, and when we talk about war, the people of this area know what it means, war compared to peace.
Asimiri ihanga lya Congo habwo hayo kwatagana na Uganda na mnongo mu by'emushuburo hamwe n'enshonga z'ebyo kwerinda.
People have heard different sounds of guns here. The civilian population gets over, you see up there in the hills now, they are peeping there and asking themselves what next. We are standing here to assure them that today we are ushering in a new chapter of our sons and daughters of UPDF who are going to a peacekeeping mission and bring stability with our brothers in the North Kivu.
Gasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.